Nvidia stock jump. Why? This you must know about Nvidia. Buy, hold or sell. Nvidia stock jump today. When it opened, it was about 5%. And it closed up 3.25%. So something must have changed from morning until afternoon. And year to date, it's up 0.64%. You wouldn't even know that it was down for like 20%, 30%. In April, it was below $100. Look at this. 5 years, it's up. It beat S&P 500, 1,467%. And let's look at S&P. It opened around 1%. Then after that, it went down. Then after that, it just came up and closed 0.4%. And year to date, 0.74%. 5 year, 94.2%. Absolutely, Nvidia beats S&P 500 1,000%. So that's what I like. When you choose a stock, a company, if it beats S&P 500, hey, we can think about it. Nasdaq up close to 1% when it opened. Then after that it went down. Then it closed 0.29%. And year to date 0.54. You see, never miss 10 best traded days. Very, very important. It was down. Then it was down more than 20%. Now you wouldn't even know that it was down. So 5 years up 102.07%. So how about Dow Jones? Dow Jones, let's look at it. 0.28%. And year to date 0.42%. Yeah, almost gone. All the losses are gone. Look at this. Really amazing. So what happened this morning and afternoon? Last night, yesterday, US trade court blocks Trump's tariffs. So almost all tariffs were gone. Were gone. But there's something changed from yesterday to today. It's not even 24 hours yet. Then appeal court, grants Trump tariffs to stay. So tariffs stay on. So you see, that's one thing about US. One day a court made a decision, another day another court changes the decision. Right. So so that's why stock market. You know what? Nothing special. It wanted to go down. It sounded to be very, very good news at the open. Then after that, in the afternoon, you know what? It wasn't as good as that we thought. It just went back to normal. So it went down. Then after that, you know what? Nvidia result was really good. So it wanted to go down. Then after that, it closed positive. Yeah, that's Nvidia probably saved the day. The day it was supposed to be probably negative day if Nvidia wasn't up. So what's the report? Is it A or A plus or A minus? Let's look at Nvidia. Nvidia data center sales jumped 73%, really good. Overall revenue grew 69% through the quarter. Yeah, that's very, very good. AI chips and related parts grew 73%. So EPS 96 cents versus 93 cents expected. Revenue 43.06 billion versus 43.31 billion expected. Look at this. Stock rose about 6% in the extended trading. Yeah, extended trading yesterday. And Nvidia expects about 45 billion in sales in the current quarter versus estimate of 45.9 billion. The company said its guidance would have been 8 billion higher, except for lost sales or recent export restriction on H20 chips. Because of restrictions on Chinese export to the Chinese market, 8 billion lower. So if it wasn't there, 53 billion. So definitely be guidance. But it's alright. The coming guidance gonna only include the impact from Chinese chips export. So the Nvidia could be estimate probably next quarter, whatever. And Nvidia said gross margin 61% for the quarter will have been 71.3% if not for China related charge. yes, they have to mark down the inventory related to Chinese export ban. So this is really crazy. But then, stock market already understood Nvidia. And stock Nvidia took a big hit this year because of Chinese export ban. Hey, you know what? Now we are expecting more good news. UAE, countries in the Middle East start ordering chips for their sovereign AI. So the data centers gonna be there. So very good news for Nvidia. So that's why the stock market could ignore this margin drawdown maybe one time. If investor 50 billion market is effectively close to US industry, yeah. And Nvidia used to have 90% market share in China, but because of the ban, Nvidia only has about 50% market share in China. So giving advantage to Chinese competitors. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Chinese competitors, the companies gonna be happy because hey, you know what? US ban your chips to China. We are happy. We're gonna innovate. We're gonna try to catch up Nvidia. So that's what's happening right now. So what do you think? Do you think US should ban chips export to China, or should US not ban export to China for Nvidia company? Comment down below. So revenue, net income increased 26%. Not bad for the very big companies. Or 76 per share from 14.9 billion or 60 cents per share a year earlier, 1 year earlier. Revenue rose 69% in the quarter from 26 billion a year earlier. Sales in company data center divisions, which includes AI chips and related parts, grew 73% on an annual basis to 39.1 billion. Look at this, accounting for 88% total revenue. Yeah, so Nvidia has gaming revenue, cryptocurrency mining chips. Those are big, but AI is so big that it now accounts for 88% of the revenue. Very, very good. Company automotive and robotics division also reported sales growth of 72% to 567 billion. Yeah, it could be $1 billion in the next few years. Probably in the next 5-7 years, this could become really big division. Robotics. If everybody like Tesla, Waymo, they need to use Nvidia chips like self-driving taxi. Yeah. So it's gonna accelerate in the next few years. That's what I think. Nvidia attributed the rise to additional sales of its chip and software for self-driving cars. Yes. So what do you think about Nvidia, the robotics and self-driving? Could they make up a big revenue in the next few years? Comment down below. And based on my rating, I would just say this is between A to A minus earnings report. It's not totally spectacular, but there are some great news coming in. And yeah, the China ban may not be so serious, although it's serious. So nothing that they could not recover. They are trying to persuade administration to lift the ban on chips, to China. Hopefully they succeed. Maybe there's another way, a better way to fight China's AI rise. And if you want to learn more, go to Master Risk Stock Option Crypto and go to playlist. You can learn more about stock investing, call option, put options, and advanced options, and other investment education. If you want to get started, click the link in the description and comment down below, and share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.